Hello everyone, welcome back to RareChem Official. This video is about Moseley's periodic table or modern periodic table. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Without delay, let's get started. Henry Moseley, in 1930, he discovered the concept of atomic number, and he observed that when certain metals were bombarded with high speed of electrons, X-rays were emitted. And here the equation root nu is directly proportional to Z. Moseley states that physical and chemical properties are the periodic function of their atomic numbers. But here Niels Bohr suggested that the physical and chemical properties of an element are the periodic function of the electronic configuration of their atom. What Niels Bohr saying that is physical and chemical properties can change by only electron filling of orbital or electron filling of their atom, not by protons. Like that Niels Bohr said. So finally the Moseley law states that physical and chemical properties of the periodic function of their configuration of their atom, not atomic numbers. Just definition only modified, not periodic table. Is everything is arranged in increasing order of their atomic numbers, but just definition only modified by Niels Bohr. What here mostly physical and chemical properties of their are the periodic function of their electronic configuration of their atom. Okay, if take one example, fluorine. See, K shell has one S orbital. L means S and P. M means M has S, P, D orbitals. If take 1s or 1s, 2s, 2p, fluorine atomic number is 9. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5 is the configuration of fluorine. If first we have to fill 1s orbital, then 2s orbital. After filling of 2s, then 2p has to fill. Like that Niels Bohr said, physical and chemical properties can change by only filling of electrons, not by protons. This definition only modified. So this is called modern periodic table of Moseley. This is modern periodic table of table. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.